Hey everybody, Ronaldo Hoffman here of Geared First on behalf of Global Truss America. Today I want to talk to you about cable management. Now my wife did a video on that a few years ago, and there's another video upcoming that's going to talk about making sure that your truss always looks great as far as keeping your cables nice and clean. You know, on a bigger truss like the F34 or the F44 series, it's pretty easy because for the most part, if you got a couple of cables, you can just rest them on the top. In some cases, you can use some Velcro or even E-tape. But what if you're running it up and down, let's say a pole or the F31 tube, or let's say you have F34 truss like this, but you've got more than just two cables. You've got a lot of them. You're gonna go through a lot of E-tape or a lot of Velcro, and it's really just not the easiest thing ever. And some of you guys just want a little bit more control than that. For that, Global Truss has released a new clamp. I want to show you what that is and makes cable management a lot easier. So the solution for tons of wires, whether it's going up speaker poles or if you got more than just a couple wires on your truss, or if you just want to be able to quickly move cables and adjust them if you need to, is this guy right here. This is a DT-Snap. It's available in silver and in black. And just like the name suggests, just clamp right there. You attach it. You can actually go multiple directions here. You can go there and you're good to go. Pretty easy. But if you notice here, there's a lot of play. It's not exactly great. So the clamps come with these very sturdy rubber bands. All right, now believe me, I've tried popping these quite a few times already. So let's go ahead and undo that. And the way that it works is you're gonna just take a little rubber band. You go through here. There we go. Lock it in, and you're good. Now watch what happens. We're gonna take that cable again, there's two cables, go here, that's it. Now it's got a bit of a grip, and you'll see that this is no longer pulling back either. There's just enough friction that's keeping that from flinging all the way back like it just happened a second ago. Of course, the black may not look great against the silver truss, so hey, look at that, you can also get silver. There is no white currently, but if you have white, I think this will work just fine because this isn't a true silver. This is like a very light colored gray. Now this is the ST-132 truss mount, but I use them on my DT-4000s and even my 5200s. And this doesn't clamp perfectly around it, but enough that it will help keep the cable nice and secure. Huge advantage, because once the event is done, you just take that out, slide your cables. You can even do this single-handedly, and it pops right out, and you're good to go. Again, the DT-Snap from Global Truss America / DuraTruss, available in silver and in black. My name is Ronaldo Hoffman. If you have any questions, comments, etc., leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night, and God bless. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Gear It First, honest reviews, incredible gig logs, lots of tips and tricks, and more tutorials than any other YouTube channel. I guarantee it, or your money back.